3-digit number is chosen at random, what is the probability that it is divisible by neither 3 nor 4? 3-digit numbers, there are totally 900 of them. How many of these are multiples of 3? 900 consecutive integers. How many of these will be multiples of 3? 300 of them. I'm talking about the numbers from 102 onwards, 102, 105, 108, 111, 114, all of that, all the way till 999. You can count it, brute force it and say, hey, 102, 105, 108, 111, all the way till 999. But we know 900 is a multiple of 3. Any 900 consecutive integers, there will be 300 multiples of 3. How many multiples of 4 are there? 900 by 4, 225. What is the probability divisible by neither 3 nor by 4? We have to remove these numbers. But we are removing these numbers. There will be numbers that are multiples of 12, which is 900 by 12, 75 numbers that are there in both of these lists. Numbers like 108, 120, 132, 144, 156, all of them that are there in this list and in this list. Double counting them. To subtract that. 300 plus 225 minus 75. That is 225 minus 75 is 150, 450. So 450 numbers out of 900 are multiples of 3 or 4. How many are divisible by neither 3 nor 4? The remaining 450, what is the probability? 1 by 2. Half the numbers satisfy our condition.